What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are out here in the TrapWay, man, and we are lit tonight. We got Sherman with My Crew Car Club. He is out here. He's got his wheel lights on the Pontiac. We got the Charger lit up, and we're going to go around it one time, guys. So let's check it out.
Came in with a whole lot of money. Fuck up in this motherfucker lit. I press up off the motherfucking block. Probably still smelling like a brick. Smelling like a brick. Like a brick. I probably still smelling like a brick. Smelling like a brick. Like a brick. I probably still smelling like a brick. Smelling like a brick.
I bled the block, I pounded the pavement. I had more birdies than the Falcons and Ravens. A brick is my fragrance, used to keep them in basements. Cook up the candy in a pot or a mason. Jars full of residue, that Fred Flintstone, that yappa do. Break down the Yola, the same color as Crazy Glue. Them folks didn't notice me, I was sneaky and smart. I wore these glasses to look like a square and drove a Dodge Dart. My connection was Spanish, showed me love when I copped. Used to meet me at Pilot or Flying J's truck stop. When I sit in the barber chair, thumper under my apron. When you having your slices, you know these suckers behave. Exclusive game is the shit, my custom outfits be lit. My watch costs $100, done by Iceman Nick. Done right. I sip Prosecco, fuck with edibles. Smoke CBD and THC, Medical.
Came in with a whole lot of money. Fuck up in this motherfucker lit. I press up off the motherfucking block. Probably still smelling like a brick. Smelling like a brick. Like a brick.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.